Good. So then I'm going to create the first Aura component. Okay. So what is the navigation? Yeah, step to create the Aura component. So first we have to click on the setup, and in setup we will get developer console. We have to click on the developer console. Then we have to click on the file, and we have to click on the new button. After clicking on new button, we will get what we will get some option. So here we will also get Aura Lightning component. Okay, yeah, Aura component. We have to click on the Aura component. Then we have to click when we will select Aura Lightning component, we will get the name. We have to enter the component name. Okay, so any component name we can write. Then we will get some option also. Okay, like where you want to add, you can click on the checkbox. I'm going to display you. Okay, setup developer console. So you can easily open console screen, So I have opened my console screen. Now click on file, new, lightning component. Okay, lightning component we are getting. Click on lightning component. So I'm getting component name. First, Crovia component. Okay, here I'm getting some button. Lightning tab, lightning page, lightning report page, experience filter site, lightning quick action. Okay, if we will not click on that checkbox, so component will create or not. Okay, if we will not create on the checkbox, that time component will also create. But if we will click on, I'm going to create it. Okay, without checkbox, I'm going to create it. Submitted. Yeah, component has been created. You can say. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to create second component. New file lightning component. It's the second Crovia component. This time I'm clicking on all checkbox. Lightning tab, page, record page, experience filter site page, lightning quick action. Then save. Okay. What difference I'm getting in both component? In second component, I'm getting extra code. In second component, I'm getting extra code. What is it? Yeah, implements. Okay. So here I'm getting extra code implements force app hostable flexi page available for all page. What's the meaning of these stuff? Okay, so if you will write force colon lightning quick action means you can add this aura component in global action and you can create the action global action. Okay. If you want to create global action and in this global action you want to add the aura component. So first you have to give the access to the component. We can use it in light. in global action. Okay. So to give the access to the component, we use force colon lightning quick action. After that, this component will display in global action. ठीक है. If you want to add Aura component in global action, so that time we use force colon lightning quick action. ठीक है. Next is force community available for all page. If you want to add Aura component in experience folder, site, so that time you can use force colon force community colon available for all page type. Okay, this interface you can use. Next is force has record ID. If you want to fetch record ID from URL, if you want to fetch automatically record ID from URL, so that time you can use force colon has record ID interface. Okay, means we have you can say object like activities. I am opening Rangoli activities. Okay, and what I'm doing, I'm going to add the component here. I'm going to add Aura component here. Okay, I will display something like Rangoli diagram. Okay, and other information. Okay, so what I want the record ID. Okay, so when I add the component, it will fetch the record ID from the URL and display the information of the this record ID. Yeah, this record with the help of URL. Okay, so if you want the record ID from URL, what you will use? You will use force colon has record ID. Automatically, we will get the record ID from URL. Okay, now next interface which we have available for record. Okay, so if you want to add the component here on record page, like I'm opening Rangoli, it's the record page. Okay, so if you want to add the component here, so you have to give the access. Okay, so what access you have to write? Available for record home page. And we have all page type also. From which available for all page type means from this interface we can add the component on every record page. Okay, on every record page, on account record page, contact record page. Okay, next we have force app host table, which means if you want to create the tab with the help of Aura component. ठीक है, if you want to create the tab with Aura component, so that time you can use force app host table. Force app colon app host table interface. Okay, remaining is flexi page available for code home. If you want to add the component on home page, so that time you can use flexi page available for record home interface. Okay, available for record home interface you can use. So these are the use of these interface. ठीक है, कभी आपको कंपोनेंट बनाना है एट दैट कंपोनेंट यू हैव टू ऐड ऑन कम्युनिटी क्लाउड, तो एक इंटरफेस यू हैव टू ऐड force community available for all page. If you have to create the global action means that action should be come here, and when I'll click on the button, so this component should be open. Okay, so that time what you can use lightning quick action. URL से id लेनी है, has record id. If you have to add it on home page, okay, home, if you want to add the component on home page, add flexi page available for home page here. And if you want to add the component on record page, so we add available for all page type, have hostable for record, sorry for tab. ठीक है, सारे इंटरफेस समझ में आ गए क्यों यूज करते हैं इनको हम, व्हाट्स द रीजन टू यूज द इंटरफेस, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
It understood.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm going to create the component. Okay, I'm going to create the component I have created. I'm going to write the code in component. Okay, so in both component I'm going to write the code. Okay, so whenever, first thing which you have to write, whenever we will create the Aura component, so one bundle will create. Whenever we will create Aura component, so one bundle will create. Okay. In that we will get 8 files. Okay, so in that bundle we will get 8 files. It's also interview question when we create any component, okay, in Auralite. So how many files we will get in a bundle? So how many I'm getting? 8. Okay, 8 file we will get. First will be component controller, third helper, fourth style, fifth documentation, sixth SVG, seventh renderer, 8th design. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th, 39th, 40th, 41st, 42nd, 43rd, 44th, 45th, 46th, 47th, 48th, 49th, 50th, 51st, 52nd, 53rd, 54th, 55th, 56th, 57th, 58th, 59th, 60th, 61st, 62nd, 63rd, 64th, 65th, 66th, 67th, 68th, 69th, 70th, 71st, 72nd, 73rd, 74th, 75th, 76th, 77th, 78th, 79th, 80th, 81st, 82 SVG design and yeah. Okay, so we will get 8 file. These are the, so whenever we will create the component, so one bundle will create in which we will get 8 file. Okay, ठीक है। हम हमने फर्स्ट और क्रोविया कंपोनेंट क्रिएट किया था, तो एक बंडल क्रिएट हुआ जिसमें 8 फाइल आ रही है। सेकंड क्रोविया कंपोनेंट क्रिएट किया, एक बंडल भी क्रिएट हुआ साइड में, 8 फाइल। ओके, so when you will open the component, you will get one extension, that is CMP. CMP is the extension of the component. So whenever you will create the component, so how you will identify it's a component, you will get CMP, you can say extension. And Aura component, it's the root tag of the Aura Lightning component. Aura component is the root tag of Aura Lightning component. Okay, Aura component is the root tag of Aura Lightning component. Root tag means in Visual Force page, what we write, what was the root tag? Apex space. Everything, yeah, every code, complete code, we will write in Aura component. Okay, whatever code you have to write, you will write in Aura component tag. Okay, complete code you will write in Aura component tag. ठीक है, it's the root tag. CMP is the extension of Aura component. ठीक है, now what I am doing, I am going to display hello world. Hello world, going to save the code. Okay, same code I am going to write in second Crovia component. Hello world, going to save the code. ठीक है, now I have written hello world, so hello world will display. So how can we preview the Aura component? How can we preview Aura component? Okay, how can we preview Aura component? In Visual Force page, we had one button. Here we had one button, preview. Okay, we used to click on preview button and we got output. But here there is no preview button. So how can we preview it? Okay, so there are two ways to preview it. So there are two ways to preview Aura component. First is create Aura application, call component in Aura application which you want to preview. ठीक है, सेकंड क्या है? Add component on page. On any page, add component on any page like community page, home page, record page. Then you will get the UI. ठीक है, दो ऑप्शन है हमारे पास, Aura application या किसी भी पेज पे ऐड करो कंपोनेंट. So what I'm doing, I'm going to follow first one, और एप्लीकेशन। ठीक है। नाउ क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ वी विल क्रिएट और एप्लीकेशन. So navigation are similar to the lightning component. Click on the file, new. Here you will get lightning application. Create the lightning application. Type name first, Crovia application. Then click on submit button. Okay. So when you will create the lightning application, you will also get seven file. Okay. In application you will get seven. In component you will get eight file. Okay. Here there is no design file. एप्लीकेशन में कोई डिजाइन फाइल नहीं है. ओके. Aura application code will start with Aura application. Aura application it's the tag. Okay. And .app is the extension here. So in Aura application, we will call the component. So I'm going to call the component C colon first Crovia component, then close tag. I'm also going to call second, then click on preview button. So what I'm getting, hello world, hello world. ठीक है. I'm going to change some code, hello world from first page. Then I'm using VR tag to break the line. Hello world from second page. Now again, I'm going to preview it. Go to the application, click on update preview. So you can see hello world from first page, hello world from second page. I'm able to call it. ठीक है, हमने प्रीव्यू कर लिया कि जो भी लिखा था वो डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप डन कि कैसे प्रीव्यू कर सकते हैं. किसी को कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? Do you have any doubt till here? How can we preview the or lightning code?
No, sir.
Good. How so it's a way how can we call or a component in or application. C colon C you can say we are calling the component. C colon component name. Okay. Sometime if means sometime if you will work on the project. So there is namespace. Your company has created namespace. That time we also write namespace. C colon namespace then component name. Okay. So you will get namespace. You have to also write the namespace. If your company has created namespace, okay, and you are working on project. But if you have not created, yeah, in this work simple, you can write C colon component name. Okay, now I'm going to display the component with second approach. We had two approach. First is Aura application, created Aura application, call the component in Aura application. Yeah. Now I'm going to follow the second, add component on any page. ठीक है. Now we will add the component on page. So app launcher, here we will get home page. Clicking on home page. Okay, so it's the home page where I want to add the page. ठीक है, so if you want to add the page on home page, so what you have to do, you have to edit this page. How can you edit the page? Setup, edit page. How can we edit any page like home page, record page, account page? Setup, then edit page. So when we will click on the edit page, this type of UI we will get. ठीक है, सभी ने फ्लो ऐड किया होएगा होम पेज पे, दैट वाज द स्टेप टू ऐड द फ्लो। ठीक है, फ्लो ऐड नहीं किया, सभी ने रिपोर्ट डैशबोर्ड बनाई होगी। डैशबोर्ड कैसे ऐड करते हैं हम? इट्स द वे कि सेटअप पे क्लिक किया, एडिट पेज। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शन वी विल गेट। So a standard option we will get in which we can add the report, dashboard. Okay, flow we can also add, chatter, these things we can add. Cube we can also add. So when you will do scroll down, what you will get? You will get custom. You will get custom. What is it? These are the Aura Lightning component. These are the Aura Lightning and Lightning Web component. ठीक है, Aura component और LWC component कहाँ पे होंगे? Custom. Okay. So what was our component name? First Grovia component and second Grovia component. So I'm going to find it. Where is my component? Second Grovia component I found. ठीक है, now I'm checking first Grovia component. नहीं है. First component is here, but there is no first Grovia component. Okay. So who will tell me first Grovia component will come here or not? I'm getting second Grovia component. I'm
No,
not
sir.
getting first Grovia component.
No, no, sir.
It will
It's
not
not
come.
getting it. Yes, sir.
Okay, why it will not come? What's the reason?
Because I'm not clicking on view page, home page. So that's why it's not come here.
Okay, we have not added clicked on the checkbox at the time of creating the component. हम्म, कि हमने चेकबॉक्स पे क्लिक नहीं किया था जो कंपोनेंट क्रिएट किया था. Okay, so we have not added these interface. We have not added these interface in first Groovia component. If we have not added these interface, so you can say we have I have not given the access to first component. It should be display on home page. ठीक है, हमने एक्सेस ही नहीं दिया, दे रखा है कि वो कंपोनेंट होम पेज पे डिस्प्ले करे. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट, बट फॉर सेकंड कंपोनेंट वी हैव गिवन द एक्सेस. Okay, we have given the access, it can display, yeah, on, you can say, home page. That's why this one is coming, first one is not coming. Okay, so when you, what you have to do, if you have to add the page, if you have to add the page, yeah, add the component on home page or any page, simple drag and drop it. Drag and drop the component. How can you add the component? Drag and drop it where you want to add. So I have added. So after that, you have to click on the save button. Okay. When you will click on the save button, what you will get? You will get some message. Okay. Whenever you will click on the save button, you will get this type of message. So here you will get some value. I'm getting remove as or default. You will get assign as or default. Okay. You will get assign as or default. This option you have to click on the assign as or default. Okay. Then you have to click on the next save button. Okay. So next question is, what is the meaning of these lines? Okay. What's the meaning of these lines? So let's suppose if you want to give security to Aura component. So from here you can add the security. Okay. On which application, on which profile this component should be displayed. We can control it. ठीक है, जैसे हम ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से एप्लीकेशन को डिस्प्ले हुए कौन से को नहीं हुए, वो चीज हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। एक्टिवेशन पे क्लिक करो, देन यू कैन सी ऐप एंड प्रोफाइल, असाइन ऐप एंड प्रोफाइल। सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट द ऐप। ठीक है, होम पेज बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन में हो सकता है कि कौन सा होम पेज चेंज करना चाहते हो। ओके, टारगेट दी होम पेज ऑफ पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन, देन क्लिक ऑन द नेक्स्ट। ठीक है, देन यू विल गेट प्रोफाइल, कि किस प्रोफाइल को ये कंपोनेंट एक्सेस हुए। यू कैन सेलेक्ट द प्रोफाइल, which profile you will select for that profile user can view the component। ठीक है, तो ये भी इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है और पूछा भी गया है मुझसे। ठीक है, when I was giving the interview, that time interviewer asked the question, if we are adding the component, okay, let's suppose we are adding LWC component या Aura component, procedure is same to add the LWC component or Aura component, how can we give the security if I want to display it for a particular profile, how we will do it? So simple setup, edit page, then we will get the app and profile. For which profile this component should be display, we can control it. ठीक है, click on the next button। ठीक है, so it's a way to add the component on home page या any page। You can see first hello world from second page। तो ये सभी को समझ में आया? How can we add the component on home page? ये सभी को समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good। और ये सभी को याद रहेगा कि हाउ कैन वी गिव द सिक्योरिटी टू द कंपोनेंट, टू ओरा कंपोनेंट एंड एलडब्ल्यूसी कंपोनेंट। ठीक है, जब मुझसे इंटरव्यू में
Yes.
क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है तो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है। सेटअप एडिट पेज एंड या सेटअप एडिट पेज, देन ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप टू स्क्रॉल डाउन, go to the custom component, drag and drop component, then save। Okay, if you will click on the save button, you will get assign as or default, then save it। How can we give security to Aura component and LWC component? Okay, so answer is go to edit page, or you can say setup, edit page, then component, then we will get one button, activation, then we will get app and profile, select profile and app, profile, to home. You want to display the component. Okay, so these are the steps.